Good morning everyone. In science, today we will learn about new topic. As you know, there are so many systems in our body. Example, respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, skeleton system. But today we will learn about excretory system. But before learning about the excretory system, I will tell you about what is excretion. Do you know what is excretion? The removal of waste substance from our body, that is known as excretion. But how the waste substance generate in our body? When our cell perform specific functions, they generate certain waste material in our body. These waste materials are toxic in nature and harmful for our body, and these are needed to be removed from our body. This can be removed with the help of excretory system. Now I am telling you about excretory system. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, as you can see in the model and in the diagram also. A pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder, urethra and urinary opening. These are the parts of our excretory system. Firstly, I will tell you about kidneys. What are the kidneys? You have seen kidney bean. You will say, we will prepare today rajma. The kidney beans, the shape of kidney beans is just like our kidney. These are flat, dark red shaped organ, and you can see in the model also, here are some microscopic structure called nephrons. These nephrons helps to filter the waste material from blood and extra water from the blood. Now, second is ureter. This is the ureters, a pair of ureter. This connect kidney to urinary bladder. It is a muscular organ and narrow shaped tube-like organ which connect kidney to urinary bladder. It conduct urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Now this is urinary bladder. This is a pear-like organ, pear-shaped-like structure, and it can store about 0.5 to 1 liter of urine, and it expand more and more just like balloon as more and more urine collect in it. From the neck of the urinary bladder, there is a tube called urethra, and from here, from the urethra and the urinary opening, urine comes out from our body, and this is how we excrete waste product from our body. Thank you.